Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. And this week we're taking you down to St. Augustine to the Adamec Harley Davidson Trunk or Treat event with the Callahan Cruisers. This was a great event. We love going out to this event. We've gone out to it several times now, I think 3 times now. We've enjoyed ourselves every time. Lots of cool cars, lots of cool decorations. Lots of kids came out to trunk or treat and get all the candy and the goodies and stuff. It was just a fun time, a fun laid-back event. Unfortunately, the turnout of cars was a little bit smaller this time around. I think that may have been because there was another trunk or treat event in Jacksonville that probably drew a lot of the Callahan Cruisers to it, so they didn't have to go all the way to St. Augustine. It's getting to be a bit of a stretch when you got an old car. But anyway, we enjoyed ourselves. The kids enjoyed themselves. We took a ton of pictures, a ton of video. This is going to be our Walkabout cam video where we take and show you around the car show and do 360 tours of the cars, some of them, selected cars. And so if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you every week. Now let's rev it up for the car show. Hey. Stuck. Help me. Alright, everybody. That's going to do it for this video from the St. Augustine Adamec Harley Davidson Trunk or Treat event with the Callahan Cruisers. We had a wonderful time. We had a great time. We got to see all the people decorating up their cars for Halloween and get to, do the whole spooky season thing. We even got we even got a special shirt for it just to go out to the Halloween events. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. YouTube likes the interaction. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers to get our initial monetization goal. That would be great. It'd fund the channel a little bit better. We can get some different equipment, go out to further out events, bring you guys some different content, some new stuff. I mean, we're trying to be creative and make different stuff as we go along, but, some things you just gotta have a little green for. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We enjoyed going out to the car show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. we're going out to the next car show. We'll see you guys out there. We don't know what it is yet, but we'll be out at the car show next weekend. So, see you at the car show, guys.